Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make the best cranberry pecan coleslaw. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And now let me take you over the ingredients to get started. The first thing we will need is 2 bags of coleslaw mix right here. I have cabbage and carrots, shredded. Second thing we will need 1 gala apple. We will need to chop it. The second thing we will need is 4 green onions. Also, we need to chop. The fourth ingredient we will need is about 1 cup of dried cranberries. The fifth ingredient we will need is pecan. We need to chop them. And right here I made a homemade dressing for this coleslaw salad. What I have in here is 3/4 cup of mayo, 3/4 cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And now let's mix our salad. And now let's give it a try. So good. The crunch from the pecan, the apple, cranberries, the creamy dressing, it tastes really good together. Let me know if you tried it, if you liked it or not. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave comment below, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.